Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. As you can probably see on camera there, it's snowing. There's snow all around me. So yeah, we're getting a bit of a snowfall here today. So I just decided to go out for a walk. I like walking in the snow, it's peaceful and calming. Not too many people around, it's nice and quiet. Yeah, it's the 1st of November. It's looking like winter already. We did have a little bit of snow in October too. And now we're getting a little bit more here in November. So yeah, winter is upon us. Also, stay tuned to the end of the video. I have an announcement that you don't want to miss. But other than that, yeah, let's get going. Yeah, we're not going to go too far today. Just go for a little walk. I like walking in the snow, and I just want to show you guys what it's like in my part of the world. Nice and peaceful walk. Quiet, not too many people around. So yeah, it's the 1st of November at the time of filming. And as you can see, we already have quite a bit of snow. It's a winter wonderland already. But that's northern Canada for you. It's not too cold. I think it's probably -5 Celsius, which I say that's not too cold for me because I'm used to that, but for a lot of people that would be really cold. So we'll just do a little loop here. We'll walk through here, then we can loop back around by the lake. Bears are probably starting to go into their dens. Maybe they are, but it's possible they're not. So just in case, I have that. That's bear spray. It's always good to carry this. Most areas in Canada have bears. In these parts, it's black bears. In other parts, there's grizzly bears. They can all be dangerous, though. So I pretty much carry this all the time, because you never know what you might run into. So yeah, it's always best to be prepared. When you're walking, you should always make noise, just so that you don't come up on an animal and surprise it. Because that's usually what happens. They get startled because they don't see or hear you. But if you talk or make noise, they should hear you before you get there. And most of the time, I mean, they're scared of you. They'll run away. So yeah, it's always nice coming over here and going for a walk. I'm just at a park that's not too far from my home. And all I can hear right now is the wind in the trees and the waves on the shore over by the lake, which I'm not too far from. So yeah, I just want to thank everybody too. All my supporters, everybody that watches my channel. I really appreciate it. I hope you're enjoying all my different content. I'm trying to do a variety of things, keep things interesting. I'm getting good feedback, so I think everybody's enjoying it. And I'm always looking for new things to do and places to explore. I have lots of fun making these videos, so yeah, thanks everybody. It's getting a little more windy over here next to the lake, so it's getting a little bit more cold too. Only a couple hours before dark. But yeah, we're not going too far. You can probably hear the waves on the shore now of the lake. It's really rough. Seems to be the norm lately. Every time I come down here, the lake's always rough, like an ocean. Yeah, she's really windy right here. Inland a little bit where you have some cover from the trees. Wasn't too bad. I just wanted to show you guys what it's like here where I live. Yeah, winter comes really quick. It seems like it comes quicker every year. But I think it's just the way it is. It always catches you by surprise. Summer's gone, and you think you still have some time left with fall. But fall disappears almost instantly, and right to winter. Well, I haven't seen any other people. No animals really, except for a little woodpecker back there. Wow, is it stormy over here? That wind is crazy. She's sure cold now. As soon as you add the wind in. Okay, we're almost back out. Time to go home. It's getting dark too. Hi everyone. Just sitting down, taking a break from the hike that we just did. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Gives you a little glimpse of my part of the world. It's the beginning of November. This is one of our first main snowfalls. We did have a little bit of snow before this in October. Then it warmed up. And then here we are again, some snow, so it's looking like winter already here. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that. And some of you are probably wondering, in my title I mentioned contest. So that's what I'm going to talk to you guys about now. Yeah, I just want to do something to give back to all my subscribers, viewers, anybody that's supported me. So what I've decided to do is I'm going to give away this flashlight. The one that you receive, it will be new totally unopened, but this is a really nice flashlight. It's the ThruNite T1, and it's 1500 lumens, so it's a really good everyday carry flashlight. So I thought this was appropriate for my channel. I like flashlights, as most of you guys probably know, and I think flashlights are one of your most important tools when you're going hiking or out in the wilderness. This is something that someone should always carry. This one's good because it can fit in your pocket or anywhere. It's even rechargeable on the side, so you can just plug in micro USB, recharge it, and yeah, it's a very small, but it puts out a good punch. 1500 lumens in this little thing. So yeah, I wanted to do this. I just want to give back to you guys, say thanks. I was gonna wait maybe until I hit 1,000 subscribers, but it doesn't matter. I'm gonna do it now. So all the details for this contest are gonna be down below in the description. So just look down there. You can read what it's all about, and you can click on the link, and it will show you how you can get entries to enter into the contest. And then I'll do a draw probably later in December. I'll also put the date down there when I know for sure when the draw will be, but it will probably be sometime in December. I just want to give everybody a chance to enter and get a chance of winning this nice little flashlight. So yeah, thanks a lot everybody, and I'll see you on the next one.